In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy account number. Whether you're managing your domains or just trying to keep your online services organized, knowing where to find your account number is key. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to head over to your favorite search engine, let's say Google, and type in GoDaddy. Click on the official website link that appears in the search results. This will take you straight to the homepage where you'll be able to access your account. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page, and there you will see the Sign In button. Give that a click. This will direct you to the login page where you have several options to access your account. And that's our next step. You can choose to sign in using your email, Facebook, or even a Google account. It really depends on how you've signed up or linked your accounts previously. Let's say you're going with the email option. Go ahead and type in your email address and password associated with your account in the respective fields. After entering your login credentials, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to proceed. This drops you directly into your GoDaddy user dashboard, where you can see all your products and services at a glance. Now, it's time to locate your account number. So, look again to the top right of the screen. You should see either your profile photo or your initials displayed. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Account Settings option. It's here that all the crucial information about your account is tucked away, so it's a helpful spot to familiarize yourself if you haven't already. Once you're in the account settings, you'll need to check for the section labeled Login and PIN. This section is particularly important because it houses all your login information. When you're in this section, you are very close to finding your GoDaddy account number. Finally, look under Login Info. Right there, you should see your customer number. This number is unique to each account and is essential for any customer service inquiries you might have. You might want to note it down or take a screenshot for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully located your GoDaddy account number in just a few minutes. We hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and straightforward. Remember, having easy access to your account number is important for account recoveries, customer support, and managing your web services effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.